हुआ ब्रांच मैनेजर के साथ?
ब्रांच मैनेजर साहब उनको जेल हुई थी।
जेल तो चले गए डिपार्टमेंटली। पंजाब नेशनल बैंक ने क्या किया उनके साथ?
रिटायर्ड है, वो रिटायर्ड हो चुके
अभी तो रिटायर किए, तो कब रिटायर किए?
हैं दिसंबर 2021।
उससे पहले तो रिटायर कर गए, मतलब बैंक ने कोई एक्शन नहीं लिया ब्रांच मैनेजर पर? क्रिमिनल केस इज नॉट ए सिविल एक्शन, ही शुड हैव बीन पेनलाइज्ड। आपके यहाँ क्या पेंशन भी है?
सर
आप मिस्टर पतंजलि, please examine whether compensation can be awarded to the petitioner or not. Not for that her articles have been removed, but for illegal breaking open of the locker. I presume that there was no article for the time being, because there is no evidence, and we cannot doubt even though the lawyer of the bank was a witness, but still it doesn't seem that there was some article kept in, some valuable kept in the locker. But for this, because they have to be penalized, every locker, if you want to break a locker, no one is coming, no one is paying you rent, you have to at least try to track the person, because the original locker owner dies. Sometimes his family members don't have the key or don't have the knowledge who is having, where is the locker. Everyone is not vigilant that he will or she will inform her next generation, his or her next generation, that this is my locker. Sometimes senior citizens, they don't want to disclose that they have a locker and they have something kept in the locker to their sons, daughters, son-in-laws, daughter-in-laws. ये ऑर्डर तो हम क्वाश करेंगे ही, लेकिन कंपनसेशन अब इमीडिएटली ग्रांट करेंगे कुछ। आप इस पर जरा हमको कब, मंडे, ट्यूसडे,
वेडनेसडे को रख दिया जाए।
Wednesday. Heard the parties. The counter affidavit has been filed by the bank. This court is not satisfied with the actions taken by the bank against the guilty employee, against the employee who had acted, who was in charge of the bank and who had opened the locker without any authorization. And from the counter affidavit, it is clear that it was presumed that the locker has been surrendered. The bank will file a supplementary counter affidavit as to what action was taken against the then branch manager or the person in charge for operating the locker. If no action has been taken, whether they, under their prevalent rules, can take action against the person concerned. Mr. Patanjali Rishi is appointed as amicus in this case to assist this court, as there is no appearance from the side of the petitioner. List this case for further hearing on Wednesday का डेट लगा दीजिए.
Somebody may be directed to hand over a copy of the pleadings to so that I can.
I have told him the pleadings must be handed over to the amicus, both the writ petition and the counter. The record produced by Mr. Amit Prakash for RBI shall be kept on record. ये ओरिजिनल नहीं है ना, फोटो कॉपी है ना? फोटो कॉपी जब भी मांगे. ठीक, जाइए.
Under heading for judgment.
He will appear. लॉकर तोड़ दिया और पर्सनल अपीयरेंस से घबरा रहे हैं.
Serial number 2.